Before we get into the good part, let's take a step back and talk about what trail me and my friend Josh are about to do. It's called Lord of the Squirrels and is located just across Whistler Village on Mt.Sproatt. From where we parked, we gained about 1,200 meters of elevation through several hours of riding. And ever since I started mountain biking and I discovered this trail, I knew I just had to do it as soon as I could. So, after building up my stamina and riding skills for the past year, I knew it was time to finally go for it. We made our way to the start of the climbing trail and started what turned out to be the best day on our bikes. Oh god. That was like the first minute. Although it was one of the best days on a bike, it definitely wasn't the easiest. It probably takes the top spot for most painful and tiring ride we've ever done, if I'm gonna be honest. But just the idea of the views we would see at the top and doing the longest ascent we've ever done fueled all the motivation we needed. So, despite how hard the climb was, we kept at it while taking a break whenever necessary, especially when a view came up. And you might be asking, is it even worth it? And honestly, we kept asking ourselves that question throughout the day. But after pedaling up for what seemed like forever, the tree line started to slowly clear up and the sky was becoming more and more visible to us. And just like that, we found ourselves in the Alpine, surrounded by some pretty amazing views.
Would you quit with the cold words? Take it on your shoulders. Throw away composure.
At this point, we weren't even at the start of the actual trail, but it was just so hard not to stop and take in everything around us. Just biking in itself was so hard because my eyes kept wandering towards the view instead of the path that was in front of me. After finally making it to the start of the trail, we started the best descent that we've ever done. While riding down, all I could do was appreciate that something like this even existed so close to home. Like, it's actually insane. And all it took was just some temporary pain going uphill. So, to the trail builders, thank you for all your work, and I'm sure I'll be back soon enough to experience it all again.